Hi everyone. Today we're drawing this elegant girl in a blue ball gown. It looks artistic, but I promise it's super simple. We are just using basic shapes and some easy pencil strokes. Let's go. We'll start with the hair. Draw a circle near the top for a messy bun, and add a few curved lines below it for the back of her head. Now, draw a slender neck and two simple curved lines for her shoulders and arms. See? We aren't drawing a complicated face today, just a graceful silhouette. Now for the dress. Start at the waist and draw a big, bell shape. Don't close the bottom with a straight line. We want the dress to look soft and flowy, like feathers or tulle fabric. So just leave the bottom open for now. Here is the secret to making this look amazing. Take your blue pencil, or marker. Instead of coloring side to side, I want you to do flicking motions from the top down. And we are done. A tiny masterpiece.